Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll be working on GUILE from Street Fighter. Alright, I like Street Fighter and some people do like Tekken. That's their choice. Even I like Tekken. But now, in this video, we'll be working on GUILE. So this video is going to be his bust. Alright, if you guys like this video or if you guys want me to make a complete character, do let me know in comments. Alright. Or if you like this video, like it, or if you like Street Fighter, do like this video because I'm gonna make more characters, more videos like this. And I want to share you something. In this video we're gonna be working on semi-realistic ones, as you guys seen in my reels. All right, when I have posted the shots, and I want to show you guys some things in like semi-realistic ones. As you can see the reference, I'm not gonna keep it stylized mode or like a stylized one. No, I'm gonna give a little bit like realistic ones, not realistic, semi-realistic you can say, or game character. And in this I will be showing you how you can make skin texture, not in this video, but I will show you how you can have a semi-realistic or photo like the reference which we have. You can make the face. Right, since now I have shown you guys how to make stylized characters, stylized faces, stylized bodies, stylized things. All right, but in this video I'll be showing you how you can achieve a little bit semi-realistic face or similar to the reference. This is not going to be a stylized mode, right? So what we need to do and what we need to focus on this video, like for the reference model, first thing, we need to have the anatomy of the face should be correct enough. Second, we need to have nose on a separate subtool. Third, for the ear. Now, what we need to focus, as I keep saying on my videos, we need to focus on silhouette. Silhouette is the what you say is the, you will get to know how your character going to be in the end, since your silhouette is close enough to your like a reference. All right, that's been told. So I want to show you how you're gonna get the nose properly, ears properly, and the face. All right, so let me talk about the nose first. Nose is going to be more likely flat from the top, from the front view, flat from the sides, most probably flat from the bottom. So what you need to focus on, it should be the front side, the side views. Since we have our nose on a separate subtool, we need to focus on where it gonna merge to your face, where it gonna get to the face. Mostly I have seen people keep it fairly sharp. It doesn't give you that look what you're looking for. People do some like small mistakes and it changed the whole character face itself. So I'll suggest you to try as many as techniques you can have from your own or from any other like artists or sculptors. Try it. Try as much as you can. Now you can see I haven't done like much work on it, but you can see at least I have a little bit decent face. Not exactly as a reference, since we need to work on it a lot. So a little minor things can change a huge appearance, all right? So what we need to do, as you can see, the character reference, it has a huge eyebrows, huge face muscles. As you can see, its mouth, it has a lower lip, it's quite big, and the sides is quite big, but it doesn't have cheek muscles or cheek fatty. So you need to work on that. And for the ear, since we are working on ear, let me talk about it. Here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna have one cylinder and I'm gonna push it. First, I'm gonna keep it the angle where it should be. Then I'm gonna push it really deep, right? Then what you need to focus on, there is always a Y, letter Y in your ears. All right, so we need to focus on that, as well as the depth. It need to go way too in for your ears. It need to go way too in. Then the Y should be popping out. All right, as you can see, I'm trying to push it more than usual, and I'm trying to like pop it up the Y letter, then smooth it frequently, since you're adding a mesh on it. All right, since like we were working on stylized characters, we were mostly working with the damn standard brush, move brush, sometimes standard brush. Here, since we need to work on a semi-realistic character, so we need to work with clay builder, because it intends to push it really hard, or it can give you mesh really high. So we need to work on that area. All right, so we have done work on each and every part as much you need. Do not overdo it, you'll overkill it, so it's not worth your time. So work on each part minimum, then work on the other part of the face. If you're working on eye, go to ear. If you're working with ear, complete with the face. Then jump. Why? Because you will get to know how your face is coming up. Some people suggest you guys to work completely on one part, then go to the other part of the face. That's fine. They are capable to do that kind of technique. They have enough experience to get the idea how it's gonna look. But since we are new, we are beginners, we wanted to learn really, if you wanted to get your game up a notch, so you guys need to know basic things. I have an experience according to the anatomy. When it comes to the anatomy, not each and every single part of the body. So I do need a reference. I do need an anatomy reference, and I keep it with me all the time. So guys, you should do the same thing, and never ever shy to try a mistake. Do as much as you can. You will get more information. You will get the more experience. All right. Now, what I'm doing here, I want to give that eyelid a proper shape. Not like in stylized character. So I want to give it like a realistic or a semi-realistic one. All right. So what I wanted to do, I want to get that mesh out of the eyeball, so I can give that crease inside, you know. Then if you get that, you can add more details to the face. Now, I didn't add any lips detail yet, and I didn't add any facial detail more than it has already. So go do like that, a little bit here, a little bit there. You will get the idea how it's coming out. As you can see the according to reference, his mouth should be a little bit narrower, right? It's fine because I have to work on it. Go step by step, you will learn it. You will get the idea how you need to work on the face itself, right? So as you can see, I'm not sticking to the one point. I'm not doing on ear itself. I'm not doing on eye. I'm jumping here. There's a reason, because I am comfortable to work in this way. If you guys don't like to work in this manner, up to you. I'm here to share my techniques, not my style. I'm not trying to push my techniques or style to anyone. It's up to you guys. I'm just trying to share what I do, what I have learned till now. All right, this is going to be his hair, and honestly, you can go with the extraction or this technique. I like this technique because it automatically gives me the thickness as well as the style. So it's completely up to you guys, whatever you guys are like fine with. All right, what I have done, I had knife rectangle and I chop the top half, and from the top I can give the shape of the reference. It doesn't matter how bad it's gonna look since we're gonna work on it, right? So just place it, just give it a shape. How does it look? If you think it's good, looking good, fine, do it. If you feel like it's not that good enough, have a break. Have a 15 minutes break, 10 minutes break. Come back, you will see, oh, where you screwed up, you can get it easily. Whenever you have this kind of mesh going on, just do ZBrush. Why? It will smooth your mesh completely. Then just add a little bit detail on the hair or whatever you guys are working with. Maybe it's a long hair, it's a short hair. Just give it. First, you need to add a blackout, right? Once you add that blackout, then you can add a little bit details, not too much, just a little bit, little enough that you can get to know that, oh, I have a shape of the hair, but it's not quite there. We want that. If we haven't finished the character itself, because I'm planning to finish the character completely. If you guys want me to complete this character with the whole reference, I have the whole reference. I'm gonna share with you guys. If you guys like this, do let me know in comments below. I will make it complete. And if you guys want me to make in a series like we have worked on Thor, and if you guys like that, let me know, I'll do that. Or if you guys don't want me to make like a Thor, I will make a one huge video, like 1 or 1.5 or 2 hours. If you guys like that, just do let me know, I'll make that video. And guys, go to my Instagram if you want to share, like follow me, or if you guys wanted to see my 3D models, you can see on my Instagram. Here what I'm doing is just giving a little bit shape of the cheekbone and the jawline. Now you can see it doesn't look like the reference, right? It's quite way too different. Yeah, because we need to work on it. Get the nose correct. If you don't have the nose correct, it looks completely different character. Now, at this stage, I can say it looks like a Frankenstein. But we'll work on it. It looks good at the end. And whenever you guys are working with a model, if you have a subdivisions and if you wanted to keep that subdivisions, but still you wanted to do a ZBrush, you can always duplicate the original model. All right, then work on your duplicate one, a new one. All right, then do it a ZBrush on whatever stage you wanted to. Then mostly you wanted to do on your lower subdivisions. Do the ZBrush, then come back, do a subdivision, increase your subdivisions. All right, then you can add the projection from the original one on your duplicate. Why? Because you will have control of your flow or the mesh flow. Second, you will have you won't lose your like subdivisions. You will be having fully control with that. And guys, I'm working on my Patreon. Soon it will be available. Let's see. I hope it will be good for you guys, because I'm not sure what to keep on that page. If you guys have any ideas, do let me know. All right. So let's see how it will come up with the Patreon. And there is one more thing. Yeah, on that Patreon, I'm thinking to share my complete UI. All right, in this UI, I'm not gonna give the older UI. I'm giving a new UI. Over there, you will be having a hot button for the brushes and hot button for the ZBrush, all the tools which we completely using on each and every videos. There will be like delete hidden like button, and there will be projection, there will be extraction, all those options which we use. If you guys like my style, what I do, and if you guys want to have my UI or the hot buttons, hotkeys, just do let me know. I'll share with you guys, and soon enough it will be on Patreon. So let's see. And if you have still watching my video, that means you have watched completely. Then if you haven't subscribed yet, think about it, bro. Subscribe it and share with your friends. If you are friends in this field, they'll enjoy it too. And let me know whatever you think about it. Eyelids, I feel like it's a quite like tricky ones. In next video, if I'm gonna be making a sequence of it, if I'm gonna do that, I'm gonna show you how to make body. All right. Or if you guys want me to make a complete video, I'm gonna work on that. Either way, I'm gonna show you in that video the like anatomy, full body anatomy, semi-realistic one, as well as a clothing style. And one more thing I want to show you, how you can apply alphas to the model, skin texture, realistic eyes, and the hair, not the hair which we have right now. It's gonna be almost similar to the concept itself. All right, so let me know which way you guys want to see the entire character. Do you want it to be into a sequence or in one single video? And guys, I have seen 70% of viewers are not subscribed. Okay, this is going to be the reference. So let's see how it's gonna be. See you in next video.